Hello, welcome to a new video. This is Get Lost into Cycling, and today I will show you how you change the tire and make it tubeless. I've got my new Victoria tire over here, Alcohol Magic Milk, some water with soap, the tire booster, the injector for the tire sealant, some rim tape and my pump. So we'll start with deflating the tire. So as you can see, the milk is still inside. Let's clean it up and let's clean the rim. Cleaning the rim, inspecting the rim tape. It's already getting a little bit loose over there, so let's remove it and tape it up again. So let's start to remove the rim tape. I'll get rid of all the sticky stuff inside. So that's all clean again, and it's time to put on some new rim tape. So you got a valve hole, and then we'll begin about 20 centimeters over it. So that's one lap. Just go over it a little bit. And that must be enough. So that must be good. It's time to make a little hole for the valve. That's it. Don't forget the rubber ring on the outside. And then the notch to secure it in place. Now it's time to get a tire on. Now the rim is ready. Got a brand new Vittoria Rubino Pro. And let's put this bad boy on the rim. Okay. So logo valve. Tire is on the rim. Let's put some air in it with the booster. Let's wet the tire with soapy water so it can slide easy into the bead. So the first time I like to remove the valve core. Now put the booster in place. Get the air in, and if we are lucky, the tire is popping into the rim. That's it. So the next step is to bring in the tire sealant from Oko, the Magic Milk. Let's shake a bit. And for these rims I would recommend 60 milliliter. So this is 10. And that was the last one. So now we have the valve core. Put this back in place. That's it, it's open. And because the bead is all seated into the rim, we can use the normal pump to get some air into the tires. Yeah, when pumping, I like to rotate the tire so the valve is a little bit up in the air and the tire sealant is down. So the tire is finally on pressure. Let's rotate the tire so the sealant can work its way through the whole tire. That's it, job's done. We've got a new tire on the rim. We've got new tire sealant inside. So let's roll out again. Don't forget to subscribe and love to see you next time on the channel.